Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our equal split function works. Equal split function whereby our system able to split from one bill to 9 sub-bills from the original bill. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. First, we recall table 1 bill. Hit the Manager function button. Method 1. Customer want to split in 3 bill equally. Key in the numbers that you request to split. Hit the function button. Hit the All Equal button. All items are split to 3 bills. Saved it. Confirmed. It is done. Hit the Hold Sale button to save it. Let's go and check it out. Hit the Recall button. Now, you may print out these bills to your customer for payment collection. Method 2. First, we recall table 1 bill. Hit the Manager function button. Key in the numbers that you request to split. Hit the function button. Some dishes customer want to equally split. Hit the Equal Off button for splitting. Some dishes split by customer serving. Hit the empty box of the column bill to split the quantity over the sub-bill. You may transfer the item to sub-bill. Hit the empty box of column bill again and again, until all the items split in correct sub-bills. Saved it. Confirmed. It is done. Method 3. First, we recall table 1 bill. Hit the Manager function button. Key in the numbers that you request to split. Hit the function button. Hit the By Seat button. Due to your system is activated seat number setting. Place the food orders in seat numbers method only can apply by seat function. Saved it. Confirmed. It is done. Method 4. First, we recall table 1 bill. Hit the Manager function button. Key in the numbers that you request to split. Hit the function button. Now, key in by portion which your customer requests to split the items. Saved it. Confirmed. It is done. Wrongly key while splitting the bills. No worries, there are a reset button for reset all become default. Hit the Reset button. You may use our previous page or next page button to look for entire bill items. I'm already cover up equal split function. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.